Are you also troubled by your flaky and scaly skin that looks red, inflamed and filthy? Do you also find it difficult to manage your scalp psoriasis condition? Being on certain steroids, ointments and lotions has severely affected your health. Do you want to explore some natural health care and scalp care things that heal your psoriasis without giving you any side effects? If so, then this video is especially for you. Hello psoriasis warriors, I am Dr. Madhvi Vash, your skin doctor. In today's video, I will share some oils that can help elevate your scalp psoriasis symptoms and reduce flakes and dandruff. Psoriasis is a chronic autoimmune skin inflammation that can be managed by including anti-inflammatory products in your hair care routine. And you know, topical oils can do wonders for your scalp psoriasis as they can help reduce scalp psoriasis, inflammation, psoriasis patches and scales. Okay, so now let's discuss these three wonderful oils. The first is rosemary oil. Well, rosemary oil is famous for stimulating hair growth, but did you know it is also excellent for your scalp psoriasis and dandruff? Yes, it is. Rosemary oil improves blood circulation, which helps oxygen and nutrients reach your scalp. It contains carnosic acid and rosmarinic acid, which are both powerful anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial compounds that reduce inflammation and flakes. Rosemary oil helps relieve flaking, itching, and improve scalp healing in people with seborrheic dermatitis and psoriasis. Now let's know how you can apply it on your scalp. Massage gently in your scalp for 10 to 15 minutes, leave for an hour, then wash with a mild shampoo, preferably the herbal one. You should use this 2 to 3 times per week for the best results. Now, the second oil is tea tree essential oil. It is a potent antifungal and anti-inflammatory and antibacterial, and it's incredibly effective against malassezia, the fungus that causes most dandruff cases. Now let's discuss what science and research say about tea tree oil. A clinical study in Journal of American Academy of Dermatology found that 5% tea tree oil shampoo reduced dandruff severity by 41% over 4 weeks. Tea tree oil has an active compound, terpenen 4-OL, which has strong antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties. It helps reduces scalp itching, scale thickness, and even inhibits the autoimmune process seen in psoriasis. Now let's know how you can apply this oil. First, you need to mix 2 to 3 drops of tea tree oil with 1 tablespoon of olive oil or jojoba oil. Apply directly to the affected areas of the scalp, leave on for 30 to 60 minutes, then rinse it off with mild herbal shampoo. You can use this 2 to 3 times per week. The third oil you can apply is olive oil. Olive oil is rich in oleic acid, which penetrates deep into the skin layers. It is also packed with antioxidants like vitamin E and polyphenols, which protect against cell damage. Some studies indicate that olive oil often helps plaques in psoriasis, making them easier to remove without damaging the skin underneath. Now, let's know its application. Warm 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil slightly. Massage into the scalp for 10 to 15 minutes. Then leave on for 30 minutes. Now rinse it off with a mild sulfate-free shampoo. Alright, these are 3 scalp healthy and hair healthy oils that can significantly improve your scalp health and reduce flakes and scales of psoriasis. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe to the Bharat Homeopathy YouTube channel for more related videos. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.